Following weeks of heavy rains which caused severe flooding, farmers in St. Elizabeth are frustrated. They say help is not reaching them soon enough. They are calling on the government to speed up the process because time is running out. Shamela Pullen has their story.
The road to recovery will be a long one for farmers in St. Elizabeth. This after weeks of heavy rains flooded several farmlands, destroying crops and livelihoods. Here, some farmers are seen trying to bounce back by replanting, but it's not much.
I now got nothing for Christmas. You know?
How many other farmers left?
And many other farmers. And next year, about February, March, before we can think about that. You understand?
Yeah, me trying to put back some tomato and thing now. Yeah, man. Rough power, man.
And there are many farmers who still can't find the means to start over. Jeremy Palmer is the Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Pedro Plains division. Mr. Palmer says while crops like potatoes and yam can bounce back quicker, leafy vegetables and vine crops will take some time.
Melon has been completely wiped out. Completely. Because those crops like melon, cantaloupe, tomatoes, a couple of days without sunshine ruin them.
Mr. Palmer says until the Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, turns in its report on the damage done, a real estimate cannot be ascertained. But he's not sure how long these farmers can wait before they get help, as time is running out.
My constituency leader is the Minister of Agriculture. I know that it's not just there he has to concentrate on. So one has to be reasonable in the demands you make, because he has the whole island to contend with. But we need some immediate relief.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.